Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new stock item in our used range, that being a Pastiche 575 2018 with an extremely popular layout at the moment, being the transverse island bed with the rear bathroom on a single axle caravan. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. So Coachman building fantastically well-spec'd, high-quality finish on their caravans. You've got a nice large front locker box there and space for two 6kg gas bottles. Benefiting on this caravan from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got that beautiful Pastiche logo and decal going all the way down the side, matching with the 575 at the rear. You've got the bin on the door with door window and blind and fly screen. Benefiting from an exterior barbecue point and also exterior 240-volt socket. This caravan does not currently have a motor mover fitted to it, so if that's a need or a consideration for you, we've got some fantastic prices on motor mover options for you. An access hatch here to underneath that transverse island bed, being very, very useful to pop chairs in and things like that from the awning. So stepping inside the caravan, you've got a wonderful finish on the kitchen surface with that glass lid and nice curved tap. Ample amount of storage located under here, with that left-hand cupboard there being where the freestanding table's located. You're benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with a pan storage underneath. Lovely chrome trim finish on the cupboards. Grey in the centre and then over to a two-tone finish towards the front with a Hecky light just above the cooker and also a generous Hecky light located in the lounge area here. At the front you've got this panoramic sunroof with blind, so again allowing a huge amount of light into the caravan, creating a fantastic feeling of space. High quality finish on the fabric scheme and extremely well looked after by the previous customers. So you really are buying a 2018 caravan that is in great condition. Front chest area there with short pull out table and also plenty of storage in the drawers, and down to the right hand side is your PIR sensor with that green dot on it for the alarm. CD radio and speakers dotted throughout. Main control centre of the caravan located above the habitation door, and this caravan benefiting from the Alder wet central heating controlled by the panel that you see there. Easy usable height microwave positioned just above an additional sideboard area and a medium sized under counter fridge. So stepping towards the centre or the rear of the caravan with the bed, transverse island bed, so in the day position there, so a comfortable movement around the end of the bed. You've got a generous sized wardrobe with drawers underneath, and also you've got this concertina pull across blind located here to create some privacy in the bedroom area should you need it. Another further Hecky light in the bedroom, again creating a fantastic amount of light in the caravan, giving a great feeling of space and coupled and offset against this nice light wood grain. You've got a television point located here, should that be a need or a consideration for you in the bedroom area, with a vanity mirror and an additional cupboard there. So stepping towards the bathroom, on the other side of the bed you've got another wardrobe with a cupboard underneath. A very generous sized individual shower cubicle. Illuminated washroom vanity mirror positioned above the sink with your Alder wet central heated towel rail towards the back there, just next to the Thetford toilet, and another cupboard next to the fridge and a little shelf here for some of those toiletries. That gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what this Pastiche 575 2018 has to offer. If you've got any queries or questions, please feel free to call us. Our dedicated sales team would be more than happy to take you on a live one-to-one tour of this particular caravan if there's any other areas you'd like to see that I've not covered in the video. We look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour, and we hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.